from the shadows, walked through the flame. Every little failure carved out my name. People said I'm nothing, said I'll never win, but I kept on moving, fire burning within. Every fall was a message, every pain was a sign. I was built for the battle, I was made to rise. I am rising higher than before, standing stronger, breaking every door. I am the warrior they couldn't destroy. This is my moment, this is my road. I survived the storm, now I shine even more. Rise again, forever I soar. I came from the shadows, walked through the flames.